Buckle up for the ultimate showdown. This July is set to be epic with a total solar eclipse and a supermoon all in one night. It's like the universe is throwing a celestial party, and we're all invited. Let's start with the solar eclipse. On July, the moon will pass between the sun and the earth, which is different from a lunar eclipse. That's when the earth casts a shadow on the moon. Total solar eclipses are incredible astronomical events that can only be seen from a small part of the earth at a time. And this one is going to be a doozy. The path of totality will be visible across parts of North America, South America, Africa, and Europe. According to NASA, the eclipse will start at 12:07 p.m. Eastern Time on July, and the maximum eclipse will occur at 1:27 p.m. Eastern Time, when the moon will appear slightly larger than the sun. If you're lucky enough to be in the path of totality, you'll witness an eerie daytime darkness, a ring of fire in the sky, and an opportunity to see the sun's pearly white corona, according to NASA. Remember to wear those cardboard glasses though, because looking directly at the sun can damage your eyes. And if that wasn't enough, we've got a supermoon to boot. A supermoon happens when the moon is at its closest point to the Earth in its orbit, making it appear slightly larger and brighter than usual. And guess what? July's full moon is set to be a supermoon. It's not gonna be as bright or as big as a super blood moon, but it's still gonna be pretty spectacular. The moon will appear slightly brighter than normal, and it's gonna be a great photo op if you've got a telephoto lens. The combination of a total solar eclipse and a supermoon is a rare treat. It's actually happened 7 times since the year 1900, but we have to go back to 2003 for the last time these two celestial events coincided. So if you're in any of these countries, get ready for an unforgettable night. In fact, July is already shaping up to be an exciting month for stargazers. On July, there's a new comet passing the Earth, which means if you've got a telescope or a really good pair of binoculars, you might be able to catch a glimpse of this icy visitor from the distant outer solar system. Comets are notoriously unpredictable, but this one is expected to be at least as bright as Pluto, according to NASA. And if you want to increase your chances of spotting the comet, head to the darkest skies you can find away from city lights and look towards the constellation of Canes Venatici. For those who prefer to leave the stargazing to the professionals, there are plenty of observatories around the world that will be hosting public viewing events for both the eclipse and the comet. Here in the US, NASA's Eclipse website has a handy tool to help you figure out where you can safely view the solar eclipse. Just enter your location, and its lines tell you exactly what time the eclipse will occur and how long you lines be able to see it. So mark your calendars for July and get ready for a night of celestial fun. Whether you're into astronomy or just love a good party, this is one event you won't want to miss. And hey, if you're planning to capture the eclipse on camera, don't forget to tag us. We'd love to see your photos. Also, if you're a space nerd like me, you can follow our updates for more updates on all things astronomy. Now let's go watch some fireworks. July is shaping up to be quite the month for stargazers. After the solar eclipse and the comet, there's another exciting event on the horizon, the Perseid meteor shower. It is one of the most prolific meteor showers of the year, and it is happening right around August. So if you miss the comet or the eclipse, you've got another chance to catch a glimpse of something truly spectacular. According to NASA, the peak of the Perseid meteor shower is expected to occur the night of August 12th and before sunrise on August 13th. During this time, we'll be able to see over 100 meteors per hour, which is absolutely insane. The best part about this meteor shower is that you don't need any special equipment to enjoy it. All you need is a clear view of the night sky and a little bit of patience. Of course, if you've got a telescope or binoculars, you're gonna have an even better time. But even with the naked eye, you'll be able to see some truly amazing sights. The Perseid meteor shower happens every year as the Earth passes through a path of debris left behind by the comet Swift-Tuttle. And as the pieces of debris burn up in our atmosphere, they leave behind these beautiful streaks of light that we call meteors. So if you're in the northern hemisphere, face northeast in the predawn hours of August and look for meteors to streak across the sky. And don't worry if you miss this year's show. The Perseids are known for being prolific, so you've got a good chance of seeing them in 2026 as well. With so much exciting stuff happening up in the night sky, it's hard not to feel a sense of wonder and excitement. These celestial events are a reminder that there is always something new to discover and explore in our universe, no matter how much we think we know.